5 things that can cause infertility, and 5 that can make you more fertile. About 10 out of every 100 women in the US have problem with getting pregnant. According to the statistics, the human body acts in mysterious ways when it comes to creating new life, and there are also certain factors that can influence the likelihood of conception, which can also be a mystery. Sometimes the most trivial thing that can decrease fertility and ruin your chances of getting pregnant. Things that worsen fertility. 1. Over-exercising. While exercising can boost fertility, especially among women with obesity, too much working out can do more harm than good. Doctors suggest that intensive and excessive workout may influence hormonal level, interfere with menstrual cycle, causing low progesterone level. This may prevent an fertilized egg from implementation. Women who exercise often and aim to lose weight are more likely to limit calories intake and have an unbalanced diet. If a woman trains too hard, this creates stress on the body, decreasing fertility. It does not mean that women should stop exercising, but listening to the body and slowing down if necessary will bring more results. 2. High level of stress that extract connection between infertility and stress still is unknown, but many researchers come to the conclusion that physiological distress and anxiety influence the chances of getting pregnant. Some women may be affected by the stress than others. Besides, may start worrying about inability to conceive. That causes depression and excessive stress for women, starting a vicious cycle. High level of cortisol and adrenaline may influence the body functioning. This worsens the chronic health conditions and opens up the possibility for new diseases like obesity and metabolic dysfunction. Practicing mindfulness and learning more about stress coping technologies may help eliminate the impact of stress on the body. 3. Age. The number of eggs a woman will have in her lifetime is determined when she born. Eggs age and worsen in the quality as woman gets older. In her 20s, a woman has a 25 to 30% chance of getting pregnant every month. This probability decreased to 5% by the age of 40. Of course, every woman is different and it is impossible to precisely predict the outcome of an attempt to get pregnant. However, doctor warns that age is a significant factor that affects fertility, and even IVF treatment cannot always overcome age complications. 4. Unhealthy weight. Being both over and underweight is the primary reason for infertility in 12% of infertility cases. To the American Society for Reproductive, unhealthy weight may cause problem with hormonal level over. Luckily, this cause of infertility can usually be revealed. 70% of women who got their weight back to normal managed to conceive without any additional treatment. Women should make sure that their body mass index is in a healthy range and consult to a dietitian for a diet plan. 5. Exposure to certain chemicals that the cosmetic product we apply in our bodies and the household cleaning chemicals we use are safe, but this is not always the of course. Research suggests that certain chemicals might cause. The study suggests that while these chemicals are safe when tested in the laboratory, scientists still don't know for sure how they interact with each other in the body. While further research is needed, it is better to be safe than sorry. Try to choose more natural cosmetic products and limit your exposure to the clinical chemicals. There are plenty of natural cleaning recipes that you can suitable for us. How to boost your fertility. 1. Yoga is only the great way to active without over exercising, but it can also be effective for women who struggle with getting pregnant. Certain yoga poses increase the blood flow in their level and improve the work of endocrine system. As a bond, yoga decrease the level of stress and anxiety that have negative effect on fertility. Yoga affect variety of poses to boost fertility. For example, you can start your practice with Setu, then move to Uttara and finish your workout with Bandhanasana to relax your body and mind. 2. Be careful with products you are using veneal area. Some products may affect a woman's veneal pH level and create a hostile environment getting pregnant. For example, development of veneal infection causing the wrong. It's better opt for fertility friendly lubricant that don't contain any harmful ingredient and does not harm sperm, interfere with its mobility. 3. Eat device. Apart from the following basic eat, like consume plenty of fiber and healthy fat and staying away from junk food, pay attention to the product that can diversify and boost it well the necessary vitamins and minerals. For example, grapefruit are the rich of while improve the egg healthy low level of vitamin C, which can contribute to a hormonal imbalance. And don't forget about spicy. One research study showed that women who consume cinnamon had improved circulation and menstrual regularity with one who got the 4. Add certain vitamins to your diet. A lack of certain vitamins may decrease fertility. All vitamins in the body should be balanced, but some of them play more significant role in constipation and the maintenance of healthy pregnancy. This includes folic acid. Folic acid is must when preparing the body for since the decreasing the chances of problem with a baby's development in the early week of pregnancy. Zinc. Zinc contribute to the quality of eggs, which improve their fertility and their ability to omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acid improve your overall health and boost fertility, which improve the blood flow to the uterus and increase the iron. Iron is essential for keeping every level and preventing lack of ovulation. 5. Dark less coffee. The good news is that you don't have to cut caffeine completely, but experts suggest that limiting caffeine intake might be a good idea. Try not to drink more than 2 cups of coffee in a day. Remember that caffeine is the only product that contains caffeine. Tea, soda, chocolate and energy drink also contain caffeine, so pay attention to the product level and don't forget to include them when you continue daily intake. Do you know any other factor that can influence fertility? Share your experience and comment.